Hello guys, welcome to my Android Tech channel. Today I am going to show in this video how to make an invisible folder on your Windows 11. So before going to start the video, if you not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you want to make your folder invisible or you want to make your folder hidden, then I will show you how to do this. So guys, you can see this is a folder. Suppose if you want to hide this folder, just right click on that, click on properties. You can see here hidden. Just you need to check mark this option, click on apply, click OK. After that, you need to click on the start menu, then type here. Guys, here you need to type File Explorer option. You can see here File Explorer option, just click on this. In this you need to click on View tab. You can see here under Hidden Files and Folders you will find two options: Don't show hidden files and folders or drives, show hidden files, folders and drives. You have to select this option, Don't show hidden files and folders or drives. Just click on apply. When I click apply, this folder will be invisible. You can see the folder is now invisible. So again, if you want to see this folder, again you have to click on start menu, then type here File Explorer option. Click on File Explorer option. Again go to View tab. Now you have to select Show Hidden Files, Folder and Drives. Just click on apply and click OK. You can see the folder is now visible. That's it guys. So in this way you can make an invisible folder on your Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.